Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, cut power at the breaker and verify the hood is dead. Put on gloves and goggles, set a ladder securely. Remove the grease filter and drip tray, keeping screws and clips in a labeled container so you won't lose them. Attach the correct size rotary brush to the motorized drill adapter. Choose a brush 1/2 inch smaller than the flue diameter so it passes freely. Once set, feed the brush upward into the chimney while you position the vacuum inlet. You now control the brush. Run the drill at low speed and advance slowly in 3 5-second bursts. This prevents brush hangups on bends. While rotating, have the HEPA vacuum nozzle directly under the flue opening to capture loosened soot and grease. Move the vacuum to follow the brush for continuous suction. After each pass, withdraw the brush and inspect bristles for buildup. Once the majority of soot is removed, spray a degreaser on accessible interior surfaces and wipe with microfiber to dissolve remaining residue. You finish by reinstalling the drip tray and grease filter exactly as removed. Tighten clips firmly, but don't over-tighten. Restore power and run the hood through low and high speeds to confirm restored airflow and that no unusual noises occur. If you still detect poor suction or a burning smoke smell, turn off power and inspect the fan housing and seals for clogged veins or melted components. Replace the fan or gasket if damaged. One troubleshooting tip: if brush won't pass a bend, reverse and try a smaller brush before forcing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.